In this video, we'll show you how to replace the induction sensor of your PUQ press. You'll need to order a replacement induction sensor and display sticker with the code displayed on screen. The tools you need during the following instruction are the Allen key that comes with the PUQ press, a Phillips screwdriver, and a flat screwdriver or box cutter. Start with pressing the Set button. The tamper base will come down and CL will appear on the display. Set the power button to 0. Remove the plug from the socket and wait until the display goes off. Remove the top cover. Loosen the tamper base Allen screw and remove it. Loosen the tamper base from thread by hand, clockwise. Loosen the 3 middle cover screws. Remove the middle cover. Loosen the ground wire screw. Loosen the 2 drive unit screws. Remove the drive unit completely and unclip the cable connector. Remove the display sticker. Loosen the 2 back cover screws. Lay the back cover gently on its back. Unclip the connector from the motor controller board. Loosen the induction sensor screw and remove it. Remove the old induction sensor. Put the new induction sensor back in place. Tighten the induction sensor screw slightly. Clip on the connector to the motor controller board. Put the back cover in place. Tighten the 2 back cover screws. Apply the display sticker. Put the drive unit in place and reconnect the cable connector. Tighten the 2 drive unit screws. Tighten the ground wire screw. Put the middle cover back in place. Tighten the middle cover screws. Tighten the tamper base counterclockwise. Put back the tamper base Allen screw and tighten it. Click on the top cover. Plug in the power cord. Set the power button to on. Press the set button. The tamper base goes back up. Let's tamp.